6 lives were tragically lost, and 26 people sustained injuries on Saturday night following a collision between a school bus and a matatu in the Olonini area along the Narok-Bomet Highway in Narok County. According to the police, the bus belonged to Mesabi Secondary School and was traveling from Narok to Bomet, while the Narok Line Services Matatu was heading in the opposite direction. Reports indicate that heavy rains were pounding the region at the time of the crash, significantly impairing visibility. Despite the hazardous conditions, the bus driver is alleged to have been overtaking recklessly, a decision that proved catastrophic when it led to a head-on collision with the oncoming matatu. The aftermath was grim. 3 passengers in the matatu lost their lives instantly, while 3 others succumbed to their injuries later at Ololuna Hospital. Of the 26 injured, 16 suffered serious injuries and 10 sustained minor ones. All the injured were rushed to the Narok County Referral Hospital for treatment, and the bodies of the deceased were moved to the hospital's mortuary. Remarkably, the bus driver survived the accident. This incident underscores the profound consequences of poor judgment on the road, particularly in adverse weather conditions. Reckless overtaking, especially when visibility is compromised, transforms public roads into dangerous battlegrounds. The loss of life, including possibly students or staff in transit, is a stark reminder of the shared responsibility every road user bears to ensure safety. The role of enforcement and education in preventing such tragedies cannot be overstated. Authorities must ensure that drivers adhere to traffic rules, especially in challenging conditions like heavy rain. Equally, public awareness campaigns need to emphasize the risks of reckless driving and promote defensive driving techniques. In the broader context, the tragedy also points to systemic issues, such as the maintenance of public transport vehicles and driver training standards. Was this a case of inadequate training or a momentary lapse in judgment? These are questions that investigations must address to prevent future occurrences. Ultimately, while the physical scars of such accidents may heal, the emotional and psychological toll on the victims' families and survivors often lingers for years. Ensuring justice and implementing preventive measures should remain a top priority for all stakeholders involved in road safety.